Ian here for Academy Class. In this tip of the week video, I'll show you how to align to an object in Adobe Captivate. So the first object you click on will be the object that all other objects align to. So if I click on this text first here at the top, and I'll just move it here over to the left, and you'll notice because I've clicked on this object first, it has little white boxes around its edge. If I now hold down the Shift key and click on other objects to select them as well, you'll see these other objects have little black boxes around their edges. If I come up to my Align panel here, if you don't see yours, you can come up to Window, Align, and if I click on the left Align option, you will see that all the objects with the black boxes around their edges will align to the left edge of the object with the white boxes. Thank you for watching the video.